For the past few years, the sport of track and field has been dominated by a familiar name. The Harmon brothers, Andrew and Jack from North Kingstown High School, have proven time and time again why they are among the best at what they do. What they do is throw the weight during the indoor track season and the hammer for outdoor track. But why are we talking about them? They are the sons of West Warwick High School history teachers Miss Donna Harmon and Mr. Paul Harmon.
There's something every day to be proud of.
The Harmon legacy started with their dad.
I threw in high school, I threw hammer and weight, and the boys Andrew wanted to run, I think, in middle school track, and then he started throwing discus and shot put. So Andrew's our older son, he's 3 years older than Jack, and Jack just kind of followed along in his footsteps.
The brothers helped each other to get where they are now.
For me, and I'm sure Jack can speak to this too, but practicing as much as we did, whether we threw hammer year round, whether it be in season or out of season, we threw just about every day of the week, and if we're not throwing that day, we're lifting that day.
Yeah, well, I mean, Andrew he's my role model big time. Like he's the one who, like, I still text him about what I'm doing and making sure everything's all right. So, I mean, he's pushing me and doing all that good stuff. And, like, we have pictures from, like, 9th grade of him coaching me at meets and stuff and, like, helping me out. And
the bond between these two has brought them success in the circle. Andrew is now throwing at the University of Maryland, where he has set a school record in the hammer throw. Jack, who won the New England Championship in the weight throw, placed second nationally, and has North Kingstown school record, will throw at Purdue next year.
And now I'm still pinching myself, with some of the opportunities that I have thanks to, athletics here in Maryland. I'm still pinching myself. Never in a million years, but I mean, there's such a small percentage of high school graduates that end up at a D1 program, right? Let alone college athletics. So, I mean, yeah, never in a million years, and let alone two. I mean, not to brag or whatever, but two brothers going to Power 5 or Power 4 conference, whatever it is now. I don't know. Never. I mean, that's unheard of, at least in my experience.
It is no surprise why these brothers are so successful, and their parents are one of the major reasons.
So involved in their lives, like we're like, what they call them, helicopter parents. Like, we are so involved in what they're doing.
As good as they are, they still have big goals for this upcoming season.
For me, I'm trying to make it to nationals, make it out of regionals, try to win meet. Won my first meet last weekend. I got another next weekend. Just trying to win as much as I can, beat as many people as I can.
And Jack has one more outdoor hurdle to clear in his high school career.
I'm hoping to break the school record, which is like, I think 2:30 around there. And I want to win a lot of meets. I'm hoping to win states, nationals. But I think, getting the school record would be really nice. I'm probably going to sound a little arrogant, but I hope I beat a lot of different kids from all across the country. That'd be really cool to see me at.
That'd be
like
cool.
Number one. That'd be sick. And hopefully I'm just better than everybody else.
We want to cry. But we're proud.
Yeah.
Those are happy tears.
Yep.
And Andrew said it. He's like, you guys did all right. Like, they'll tell us we did all right.
He said that?
Yeah. I said, yeah, we did do all right because you guys are doing all right.
I'm Adriana Carcetti with WWHS-TV.